All right, here we go. Got the Torx 50. All right, while I got the seatbelt stuff out, I might as well just put these back seatbelts in. I didn't put them in yet. And yeah, you gotta get in here kind of. Sometimes you can push it this way. It's gotta go this way. But sometimes you need to be... Probably should put the seat up some more. It could be hard. You gotta push it in. It can be difficult. Let's get this out of the way. That thing's in there, huh? There are the glasses. There it goes. Probably not gonna be able to get this one. Oh, got it. Is there gonna be some type of trick here to getting these seatbelts out, or are they gonna play fair? All right. I think I still got the... It has a... whatchamacallit? Data sheet, data code. This is from a 86 though. So there it is. Just try to leave it there if we can. All right. Now, all these gotta go. That too. But do I have to lift up the back? I didn't want to. Oh, that thing's not even doing nothing. It's just hanging out. That's good. Sounds like something I would do. That's smart. I knew I was gonna be back. You don't really have to lock down these back uppers. No, let's just see. There's a lot going on here. This. I didn't plan to do any of this right now. It's a little faded on top there, but that's okay. We'll do something about that in the future, maybe. All right, this is supposed to be up. It's not. Some other here, all types of padding, insulation and stuff here. That's good, I guess. See, you just want to change the seatbelt out and then you're like taping insulation back together. I don't know, I didn't sign up. I guess I did. I didn't actually. Yeah, that's horrible. I mean, I just had it laying up there. I was like, just, you know, just try. You feel me? Just try. Just try. That's all I'm asking. That feels like it needs to get taped up right there. Gorilla tape. It's what's for dinner. No, it's not. I just lost a piece right there, apparently. That. I don't know how, I guess that's supposed to sit like that somehow. Well, it's not gonna be perfect. That's the theme of this car. Those pieces are just gonna be going away. I don't know, is that gonna sit on there right? I don't know. Yes, no, maybe so. Don't really want to. I don't think you want to block that. What's going on here then? Do I have this taped up in the wrong area or something? Because there's a seat thing right there. I probably do. I don't know where this is supposed to be. So, yeah, it's all that. See, this isn't what I was trying to do here. I was trying to do... It's all falling apart. I might have some more of this somewhere. Or I might not. Look at the analysis there. That didn't do nothing, did it? Not really. Just a waste of Gorilla Tape. Oh, that's it, y'all. But I think it's gonna get me where I needed to go though, because they got it out of my way. The seat's gonna keep it up. I might need to vacuum in here as well. That's what I'm saying. So many jobs. It's not just one job, it's like a million jobs. But you know, if you do YouTube, that could come in handy, I guess. All right, let's get rid of these seat belts then, and any type of insulation that wants to leave as well. These are gonna be on there probably. Well, don't strip it. I think it just needs some motivation. Oh, I don't like that. Well, I think it's the actual... I don't like that. I think it's that though, which is... I like that better than it being the tool. We'll get it out. Let's go with these two. Yeah, just remember, keep the force on it. Use the force. Remember where these go. This side had that and that. I'm not gonna remember. I probably won't remember. Get up in here. Let's go. Two more. Does this one want to come out, or is it going to be difficult? Not difficult at all. All right, here's the seat belts. eBay coming soon. Nope. More videos. We have to go back with this slowly. Maybe I should put some WD-40 on it and put pressure on it. I might be able to do that with a ratchet. I just get right up on it with the ratchet? Probably not. Everything's on there. Sheesh. That's what I didn't want to happen. It's good that this thing keeps getting in my way. It's gonna find itself in the trash can very soon. Annoying. Find a good angle on it if you can. Probably I should have gloves on. I think it's not. I do not want to go. Nope. Don't really want to ruin this tool. Slowly. Don't do damage, my tool. That bolt can't take no more. That bolt couldn't take any more. Don't reuse that one. There's that. Where'd that go? Is that from an old seat? I don't see what that could. What's the use of that? What's the use of that? I don't know. Good, that's out. Don't know what the use of that was. Is there one over here? No, I don't think there is. That might have been an old seat bracket. Yeah, probably. What's that seat bracket look like? Yep, it was an old seat bracket. We don't need that. All right, good. Seat belts, rear seat belts out, side seat belt out. Nasty insulation intact. Lightweight. Alright, here we go. Back with the Caprice. Gonna put these seat belts in. I'm probably gonna clean that up with the SOS pad. And yeah, some of them. But let's put these back ones in then. I think they're the same. Let's see, are they? No, they're not. Yes, they are. No, they're not. Yes, they are. Which one is it? I think they're the same. 28. ABT 300 by 28. ABT 300 by 28. It looks like it's the same. Let's at least put one. This is the time to clean them. That's ridiculous. I don't really want to clean them. Are these the same too? These are the same. Every job turns into another job. Well, I was gonna do this right here. So let's continue to do that. Does that really need to be SOS padded? Probably. Maybe I should go bring that out here and just do it real quick. That sounds like a better idea. That one definitely needs it. That one's alright. These two belts I might not put in yet because no one's really sitting in the middle back there, and they're just gonna sit underneath the seat. I probably will put them in, but anyway, let me go grab an SOS pad. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna clean these seat belts up real quick. I'm not gonna try to waste forever doing it, but while I'm right here, you might as well. That should be fine. That one's really not that bad. Didn't have much on it, but while we're here, probably should just wipe them off. Just like that. I'm not getting any more than that. This is the one that started all the problems here. It definitely needed it. There it is. You got what you wanted. Try not to hit the belt. I'm not trying to hit the inside logo either, as it has paint on it. Well, they'll probably get tucked underneath the seat and get rusty again. They got a little bit of pitting on them. That's okay. You have to just deal with that. If I don't do it like this, it'll never get done. I'm saying I can't take forever cleaning these parts. That one looks pretty good. Let's just hit it up while it's here. I have another video, I don't think I uploaded it, but it was like a really intensely cleaned a set of seat belts. Actually the front black ones that came out of this one, because I was gonna put them on eBay, so I put them through a good cleaning. I'll upload that at some point probably. These ones are pretty clean already, so they're just getting the SOS pad on the chrome. Probably want to get all that stuff out too. I don't want it to rust up, but at least it's SOS pad soap. Oh well. We'll just clean it again in the future if we got to. It's like an old school Nintendo. Alright, I got this one right here. It's a little bit shorter than the one that came out. I don't know if it was in tight anyway or if this was correct. So I'm gonna see if this shorter one works, because it didn't seem like it wanted to go in anymore. So let's see, and this, it fits way better on the Torx connection part. Oh, I need my hearing protection. That's a must. All right, let's see. Well, that's screwed in. It didn't need to be any longer. It does move around. I don't know if it's supposed to or not. I don't feel like it's supposed to. Is that supposed to sit straight? I'm not sure. Or sideways. Or is it supposed to move? I don't think it's supposed to move. Let's see. Let's see. Can I put it in with this? It might. I don't know if it could even be shorter. Yeah, the extension's not getting there. Well, that's good for right now. Well, let's put this one in then. At least it'll be almost tight. That one seemed to go down. Lightweight grab the seat too. I don't really want to grab the seat though. That one seemed like it went in though. That one went in better than this one. This one either here. I don't know. That won't do anymore, huh? I guess not. Sure. Whatever you want, Caprice. All right. Let's see. Now, how many belts are in here? One goes on one side. Wait. Two go on one side. I think these two go right here. There. There's that. Nice. I think that's right. This one goes to this one. That one goes to... And then they're supposed to go up through here too. Alright. We didn't clean this one much. We'll brush it off. Good enough. These two go together. Oh, I got my hearing protection on, so probably talking heck loud. Alright, these two go together. This one in here. These are like all the small bolts. Didn't have my hearing protection on for that one. All right, this put up through here. That's convenient. This one, I don't really want this one going. I might rubber band that up or something. Well, we're gonna leave it back here. Now what's up with this insulation? Insulate now. go around the seatbelt. The seatbelt's here now. Okay. So, yeah, and throw one of these up in here. I don't need both of them up, I don't think. That's probably gonna make more rattling and jingling noises. Unneeded. We'll just try to, yeah, we'll just whatever. All right, so there's that. That was not even what I was trying to do today, but I had to. How did I get to the seat belts? I don't remember. It was something that needed to be done, I think. It was something that needed to be done, and I don't remember. But anyway, that's what I did today, was the seat belts. Push the seat back in. Well, I was going for the main build. Oh my goodness, that headliner sucks so bad. That's probably what got me there. Is here. It's because I was gonna put this trim piece up here. I'm gonna do my own thing with the headliner. But somehow I came across my seat belts. There they are. Got the old ones out, new ones in. One more to go. Might do some painting around the blah 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 blah. How many more parts? Look at that headliner, it's horrible.